It's Lois Arnold, and I am the owner of Idnaja University City Salon and Spa, and we're at 4012 Market Street here in Philadelphia. It's very important when you do acrylic nails. Your brush is very important because if it's too hard, then it's not flexible and it will not bend. Then, as with anything, while this is drying a little bit, the tools are everything. Your drills are very important. With your drill, this is your drill, and it has different speeds. It goes forward, it goes in reverse. You have different attachments. One to clean up under the bottom of the nail to make sure that you get all the residue off. Then you have two different sandpaper attachments. One is mild. This is what I used on her nail in the beginning, and that goes next to your natural skin. But you would not. It's a little too abrasive for your natural skin. But if you did it, you would know the difference. So what I did was I made just a little coloration so I could tell the difference between the two of them, so that I would not abrase or bruise her skin. That's very important.